Hey, are you looking for a great buy in the center console class? Check out this Fishing Raptor 390. She comes fully equipped with triple Mercury 400s, aft seating, table, this side fold down door with a swim ladder which makes getting on and off the boat a snap, a serving area with a sink and ice bucket, seating for 3. It comes with joystick, seakeeping, everything you want to make your day and docking simple. Inside this space is an enclosed head as well as a day bed, so you can actually overnight this boat. It has an Aft Sun Shade that rolls out, full-on T-top, great protection for when you're out on the water. And what I love is forward is this great day bed and seating, but there's also a bimini that folds up out of the bow, so this whole area can be under sunshade and protection to make your day on the water excellent. So enjoy your time on the water, enjoy the opportunity of this Fishing Raptor by